What to do when the recorder has cork on its tabs and that starts to fall off. On this recorder, the cork stands out too much, as I'll show you. So every time I put the head joint on the middle joint, it feels like it's coming off. The first rule of maintenance is that you regularly put grease, like Vaseline, on the tabs. This one is old, this one is a newer one, a stick by Yamaha, cork grease. With the old one you have to dip your finger in it, and the newer one is more comfortable, but afterwards you'll have to rub it in anyway. I heard it's possible to sandpaper it, but I've never had any real success in that, and I'm not sure if it's a really good idea. When the cork falls off eventually, I replace it with thread if I haven't been able to glue it again first, but it will fall off at some point. I use thread with beeswax. I pass it through the wax. I've posted a very detailed and practical video on this, so go and check that out if you want to know how to do that. And on thread, this one is becoming old. You also use the same grease. Don't forget to grease these tabs too if you think they're really dry. It's not necessary as often as for cork. This tab needed a little bit more thread because it didn't close off completely, so the head joint was sitting too loose on the rest of the recorder. So I added some dental thread, a particularly soft one. Don't add something that could bite into the recorder or damage it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and follow me here on YouTube.